Alright, so progress with the RB20. Change the ECU and car picked up a nasty misfire. Figured out it was cylinders 4 and 5 missing. Changed around coil box, changed coil box harness. None of them were brand new, but got it to this point. It's running better than it was yesterday. Cylinders 2, 4, and 5 were missing. Swapped around coil box, got cylinder 2 running now. The miss is definitely between cylinders 4 and 5. Even when I first pulled out the spark plugs and checked those are the 2 cylinders that were blocked and fouled. And if I pull the MOF plug, it runs slightly better. So I might need to going to clean the mass airflow, see if that helps out a bit. Also got to check all these vacuum lines, grounds. Sure, this is an annoying misfire. Also doesn't have all the vacuum it should have. I also know my turbo's gone, but I think it's a vacuum problem now. Yeah, see, blow off isn't opening and responding like it should. Definitely getting compressor surge. Yeah, not liking how it's running. Smell. I guess it's a bit of fuel and some oil in the exhaust fumes. It isn't smoking anymore. But the other day when it had that really bad misfire, you could hear it detonating in the engine exhaust manifold. Yeah, got the coil pack cover, so I can mount the igniter on that. Wondering if after all of that turbo might have sent any of the blades out of the exhaust. Wouldn't really know. Gonna keep on keeping on. Don't know if I'll have this up in time for the cannonball run, but fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Out.